Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to stop Google Photos from accessing your photos. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on the iPhone and then I will move to Android. So, on the iPhone, open Settings and then we should go to the Apps. We need to find this line, we're located at the bottom in the settings, so we need to scroll down. Right here we have Apps, enter here. Then you should find Google Photos, so you can or scroll down and you need to find Google Photos here, or you can click at the G, at the letter G at the right side, and it will open for you also application with the G letter. So right here we have Google Photos, enter here. Then, at the second line, we have Photos. Click at this line and set it to None. And we did it. Now you can go back, you can hide the settings. And that's it for the iPhone. Now let's move to Android. On Android, open Settings. And then we should find Apps line. Like on iOS, so scroll down. You can also use search, you can write apps here, or you can scroll down and then click at the apps line. Maybe you have it right here, so click on it or click see all, and then we need to find Google Photos. And right here we have this application, so click on it. Go to Permissions, and right here we have Photos and Videos. Click on it and click Do Not Allow, and Do Not Allow anyway. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.